Welcome back to M Hood Fishing, everybody. I got a bit of a late start this morning. Well, I didn't get a late start. I had a lot to do and things took a little longer than I thought. I had to fix the bike and other things. And then I shot a little video, and now I want to shoot another little video, but time is ticking. And let me tell you something, it is getting dang near 8, and I don't see much prospect from the bank on the lake right now, unless I want to shoot another perch video, which I don't, because I already have. So I have an idea. Don't know if it's going to pay off, but we can go there and see. Or maybe we'll catch something there. Definitely it's not the lake though. Yeah, it's this creek. Tiny Texas Child. Creek's black and muddy, right? So is this bait. It's black. This creek is snaggy too, so it's a good bait for that. Doesn't snag as much. Ah. Well, okay, we had a break off. That was a fish. I don't know what kind. There are shoe pick here. We're gonna get back in the game lickety split. It's windy up on the lake, not so bad here, so we can fish weightless. Let's go with this speed worm here. Watermelon red. If it comes back cut in half, I know what was hitting us. Totally making a switch. June bug crawbait. Oh, fishy got me, and then the wood got me. Dang. Dang, dang, dang. Ooh, I rang a dinner bell there. And then, oh, he's probably gone, right? Let's see. Could be something right there under that log. That is a bit of a shallow channel, though. Alright, we're just going to get a bit of line off, lock our bail, and drop right down. This is just the other side of where I just lost a fish. It is starting to get hot, and I know I'm about to have problems with the camera, but I also know that there are fish here. If I could just get to where they're hiding, I might be able to get one. I want to go over on that side, but that side is far more overgrown than this side. What we're going to try and do is get in this shady bit. That's so overgrown over there that if I tried to get to those spots by going through there, I probably would end up spooking fish. And we're in a bend and we're on the shallow side of it, right? And what we're looking at right there, sorry, that's the deep end, and fish tend to get right up against it. So we're gonna throw to it. There's certain spots where a fish is almost guaranteed, right? Gotcha. Ah, no. A little guy, though. Oh, ow. Gotcha. He's kicking. He's kicking. I knew there was a fish here somewhere. Oh. Ooh. I don't have the right stuff for you. He's in that stuff too. Oh. Ah! We just lost a big shoe pick. Dang it. It's getting hot. I don't want to stop, but yeah, it's getting hot. Probably about to have problems with the GoPro. On the same creek, just down here where it goes under the highway, there's a beaver dam here. It's not much worth fishing after the beaver dam. We want to see what's here. It gets really shallow up at the beaver dam. Probably right here is the deepest bit. Right here. There appears to be some fish here. Now if I want to keep looking for shoe pick, I need to focus on the margins up against the bank, right? See this washout right here? See all the roots? Then the root bed goes to there. Likely to be hiding fish. I'm gonna go ahead and come in tight to it. Could be bass, could be shoe pick. Gotcha. Oh, that's a good tactic for this time of day. It's found me some fish that I lost, some fish that broke me off, and finally I found one that wanted to play, but it's not the one I wanted to play with. Ow! Greenbrier! My goodness, having bad luck with that stuff. The hotter it gets, the more difficult it is to work out here with this camera, and it's just not that fun, to be honest. But if you follow what I was doing there, dropping in on places where the fish could be hiding and focused on the margins, you will find stuff in these creeks when your bank fishing ideas on the lake aren't working out. Come to a little creek and focus on the deeper bits up against the bank, undercuts, things I showed you, wood in the water. The rule is, if I catch a fish, if it's small, I'll give you the video. If I don't catch anything at all, I'm not giving you anything at all. But as you saw, I hooked into some fish today on this creek, lost a really big shoe pick and a couple other things. and I just kept going, and I found something. It's not what I wanted to find, but I found it because I was looking for it. And if you look for it and you fish the right places at the right time, you'll find it too. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time.